Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Fishing Vault Fully Umbrella Rig. This comes with all the components you need for a complete rig, including the rig itself, 5 jig heads, and 5 swim baits. The color chosen for this bait is a natural shad color. Gray, white, and black colors are great for any time of the year and any type of water clarity. With 20 centimeters from tip of head to the end of the arms, which allows you to spread out the arms enough to ensure that the swim baits are separated enough to ensure the schooling effect. 8 willow leaf blades really emphasizes the shad school effect by providing flashing underwater. Gets bass attention from far distances. Works well in all seasons of the year. If they are feeding on shad, then this is a killer bait. But this has been known to work exceptionally well in the winter months. Small enough to cast for those lunker bass, and big enough to troll for those monster stripers. Our second best bass fishing rigs is THK Fish Drop Shot Fishing Rigs. This THK Fish is strong, reliable, weighted wire leader. Premium lead fishing weights. Stainless steel swivels. Mixed color plastic fishing beads. Sharp and strong wacky hook. If you are new to fishing or struggle with tying your own rigs, ready-made rigs are the one for you. Top pre-made wacky rigs drop shot rigs. The fishing rig is made of top quality components. These pre-tied drop shot rigs from THK Fish are an easy way to save time and trouble while fishing. The wacky system allows you to keep the bait in the strike zone longer, and it creates a lot more action with the bait. These rigs are tied with 16 pounds ultra clear line with the super sharp wacky hooks. The main purpose of the wacky rig is to make your fishing gear look almost invisible to the nearby fish. The wacky rig can be used with or without weight. These ready rigs come with drop shot weights for different situations. Third in our list is Placino Wacky Worm Fishing Rig. The aluminum worm rig tool features incredible rust resistance, ideal for fishing in saltwater. Unique design with O-rings protects the hook from tearing out due to violent hits. Wacky weedless hooks made of stainless steel, high strength, anti-rust, and keeps lures snag free. Made of soft, flexible plastic, which has superior presentation and is durable. Highly detailed soft plastic, more lifelike body and action. Each 5.5-inch worm lure is double-colored, can attack curious fish and helps you land more fishies. Worm hooks are made of high carbon steel with black nickel. High strength and durability, perfect for saltwater and freshwater fishing. It's the best gift to send father, son, husband, fiancé, boyfriend. Fishing tackle set collects nearly all accessories including fishing lures, hooks, jigs, and so on, an overall fishing lure kit for saltwater and freshwater. Perfect for ocean, lake, river, reservoir, pond, and stream. Number 4 in our best bass fishing rigs list is Mzixv Ned Fishing Rig. Mzixv only provides high quality Ned rig baits to increase your catches and bring you much fun. Mzixv Ned Rig Kit include 8 pieces luminous TRD worms baits which make it glow in the dark, attract the fishes from a wider area, bring you a better fishing experience. Mzixv spent many years designing and developing fishing gear that make a real change to your fishing experience. Each Mzixv crappie jigs undergoes an extensive testing and quality control procedure to make sure it meets the global quality standards. Round mushroom jig head design allows lures sinking slow and vivid swimming. It enables the bait to stand up in the water quickly. Premium body design is great for all live bait including shrimp, minnows, leeches, or worm. Lifelike swimming action is effective in freshwater and saltwater fishing, an awesome gift for both expert anglers and beginners. Our last pick is Dove Sun Carolina Rig. Dove Sun strives to deliver the fun fishing experience to everyone. The Carolina Rig is kit all settled, which is quite convenient to use. No need to tie up will save a plenty of time when you are fishing. Great for the beginners also. Just tie the Carolina Rig to the fishing wire and add a soft lure to the hook, then you can start fishing. You are using an egg loop knot instead of a Palomar knot, which can catch the fish more effectively. The egg loop knot can provide a holder for the bait and is considered to be one of the best salmon and steelhead fishing knots. Hold the baits into place. Carolina Rig is quite wide application. When dealing with isolated brush piles or grass, the Carolina Rig is efficient. And the Carolina Rig has the ability to reach deep fish, so you can also use it during the winter months when fish are lower.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!